amism theory of everything or amism theory of nothing or amism theory of cyclic realities. People often say that scientific theories of basic sciences won't apply to those practical manifestations of social-cultural entirety of social-political sciences. Hence what social scientists do is they are cautious about defining too much basic science laws or principles on their researches. The more the social science research starts diverting from the disciplinary boundaries, the more the experts become panic. It's not their fault, it's a kind of securing the disciplinary grounds. The theory of everything or the theory of egalitarianism polarities, hence have to be wisely pruned, if you try to define it inside the boundaries of different disciplines. Otherwise people will laugh at you. See, the entirety of each and every discipline is itself complex. The defining criteria has least a difficult possibilities to travel crossroads across various disciplines. Even if we try to do it won't be mindfully rewarding to the audience or the speaker. Basic questions people ask. Is the theory of everything ultimate to find the divine God within all existences? How matter expresses its polar realities from emptiness? Is the entirety of energies fixed? Are we moving according to the game plan of beings with superior intelligences? Are the reward polarity flowing paths are intelligently wired across? I say theory of everything is egalitarianism. If supreme conscious beings like humans can't define it for you, don't expect those animals will do something about it. I assure you that if you try to understand the theory of everything, have practical build-ups on the visible universes around you, the world and life will flourish like never before. Why many economic, political, cultural, social systems are failing? Why wars are happening? Why there are problems, multitude of diseases? Why some are winning and some others are losing? Why some can form healthy associations but some are always conflicting? Why some nations are living in fear, defeat and some are living in happy, peaceful? Why some are having higher reward standards and some are living in lack? You lack the egalitarian polarities of the former. This is what theory of everything addresses. The frequency vibrations of people exhibiting different qualities are different. They exhibit different vibrational polarities on environment, influencing them. It has certain material, thought manifestation. Previous lectures I have told you about radiation, magnetism, light realities and how this is going to make a world of autopilot perfect existences. Now I am advancing it further. That means these productive forces are indeed a polarity effect on matter. That means matter and energies are the result of combined manifestation of magnetism and radiation on light. The difference in the intensities exhibit in different vibrational frequencies of different qualities. Now define the limitedness of humans and existence of God energies on earth. Truly this can only give humans rest from conflicting constructs.